Performance tuning and cost optimization in VMware Cloud. Optimizing performance and cost in VMware Cloud is crucial for ensuring efficient workload execution, reducing unnecessary expenses, and maximizing resource utilization. As enterprises scale their hybrid and multi-cloud environments, adopting performance tuning best practices while implementing cost-saving strategies helps maintain a high-performance infrastructure without overspending. This guide explores key techniques for enhancing performance and controlling cloud costs. Inefficient allocation of CPU, memory, and storage can lead to performance bottlenecks and wasted cloud spend. Organizations should use VMware Aria Operations to analyze workload resource utilization and recommend right-sizing adjustments. Enabling vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler (DRS) automates workload balancing and prevents over-provisioning. Implementing storage tiering by allocating workloads to high-performance NVMe or SSD storage for critical applications while using lower-cost HDD storage for archival data can improve efficiency and reduce costs. Slow network performance can degrade application responsiveness and cloud efficiency. Best practices include implementing NSX-T microsegmentation to optimize east-west traffic within the cloud while securing workloads. Using VMware SD-WAN improves connectivity between on-premises data centers and public clouds by reducing latency and packet loss. Prioritizing traffic with NSX load balancing ensures mission-critical applications receive the necessary bandwidth. Cloud environments often suffer from unused or idle resources that lead to excess spending. Cost optimization strategies include using VMware Aria Automation to implement auto-scaling policies that provision or decommission workloads based on demand. Applying reserved or committed instance pricing models in VMware Cloud on AWS, Azure VMware Solution, and Google Cloud VMware Engine can optimize predictable workloads. Leveraging VMware Cloud cost policies allows organizations to track spending trends and alert teams about potential cost overruns. Optimizing workload placement ensures higher efficiency and lower costs. Best practices include using AI-driven workload placement tools in VMware Aria Operations to automatically allocate workloads based on cost, compliance, and performance requirements. Deploying Kubernetes-based workloads with VMware Tanzu enables efficient, containerized applications. Monitoring real-time performance metrics with VMware Aria Operations helps proactively resolve issues before they impact operations. Effective disaster recovery planning helps ensure data protection without excessive costs. Implementing VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery (VCDR) enables on-demand failover without requiring a fully replicated DR site. Using snapshot-based backups instead of full backups reduces storage footprint while maintaining fast recovery. Storing data across different tiers, hot, warm, and cold storage, aligns costs with business-critical needs. Performance tuning and cost optimization require continuous monitoring. Setting up real-time alerts and anomaly detection using VMware Aria Operations and NSX Intelligence helps identify potential issues. Regularly auditing workloads allows organizations to remove unused VMs, snapshots, and orphaned resources. Leveraging AI-based recommendations helps predict workload demand and optimize cloud consumption. By combining performance tuning strategies with cost optimization measures, enterprises can achieve high efficiency, reduce cloud expenditures, and maintain scalable, high-performance VMware Cloud environments. With VMware Aria Operations, NSX-T, VMware Tanzu, and VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery, businesses can proactively monitor, optimize, and secure cloud workloads while ensuring cost-effective cloud consumption. Let's continue.